Joy Radheshyam. When we will celebrate the Utthan Ekadashi Broto? About the calendar of Sri Sri Madhva Gaudeshwar Vaishnav Sammiloni 1432, 31 October Friday, Dashami Tithi is ended at night 3:55 am. That time Dhanishta Nakshatra is running. The Ekadashi Tithi is running on November Saturday. Ekadashi Tithi is ended at night 2:48 am. We know if the Dashami Tithi go in the time of Brahma Muhurta, means on our 36 minutes before of sunrise, this called right Ekadashi. But if the Dashami Tithi finished before the time of Brahma Muhurta, means on our 36 minutes before of sunrise, this called Dashami and Ekadashi combined Vidya Ekadashi. It is forbidden. So the Broto will observe 2 November Sunday and the Paron will observe next day at morning time. Jai Radheshyam.